This video will help you improve your English skills, listening, reading, and success mindset. It is about Maria, a designer from Mexico. Learning English changed her life and career. Let's begin. Chapter 1. The Missed Opportunity. Maria is a designer from Mexico. She makes websites for people. One day, a client finds her on a freelance website. This client is from the United States, and he only speaks English. He wants to talk to Maria about a big project. Maria feels scared, she thinks, and I don't speak English well. The client asks her for a video call, but Maria is afraid. She types, "I'm sorry, I can't." She says no to the project. Maria feels sad. She wanted this project, but she could not do it. Lesson 1. Sometimes we miss a chance, but we can learn from it. Lesson 2. Every missed chance is a lesson. We grow when we learn from missed chances, and each chance is a step to success. Next time, we can be ready. Chapter 2. The Big Dream. Maria has a big dream. She wants to work with clients from other countries. But she needs English for this dream. It's too hard, Maria thinks. I will start tomorrow. But every day she says, I will start tomorrow, and she never starts. Lesson: big dreams need action, even a small start. Chapter 3. Meeting Mike. One day, Maria is in a cafe. She is drinking coffee, but she feels sad. She thinks about the project she lost. A man sees her and walks to her table. He smiles. "Hello, I'm Mike. You look sad. What happened?" Maria looks up and says, "Hi, I'm Maria. I want to learn English for my job, but I don't know how to start." Mike smiles and says, "I help people with their dreams. Maybe I can help you too." Maria feels curious. "How can you help me?" she asks. Mike says, "Big dreams start with small steps. Find your first small step and take it." He gives an example. If you want to learn English, start by studying just 10 minutes every day. Lesson: big dreams can start with one small step. Chapter 4. Mike's Plan. Mike takes out a notebook. To reach big dreams, we need a plan, he says. He shows Maria the notebook and says, "You don't need to do everything in one day. Just do a little every day." Maria asks, "What can I do each day?" Mike writes a plan in the notebook. Write down your big dream. Make small goals. Do a little every day. Check your progress. Maria writes her own plan in her notebook. Big dream, bin. Learn English for my job. Small goals. Study English for 20 minutes every morning. Learn 3 new words every day. Watch 1 short video in English. Speak English 2 times a week. Lesson: a plan makes big dreams possible. Chapter 5. Maria's Progress. Maria starts her plan. Every morning, she studies English for 20 minutes. She learns new words and watches videos in English. After 1 week, she knows 15 new words. She starts to feel happy. I can do this. she thinks. Lesson: small steps every day make us better. Chapter 6. Hard days? Some days are hard for Maria. She watches a video, but she doesn't understand all the words. She feels tired and thinks, maybe I should stop. But then she remembers Mike's words. Big dreams need small steps. Maria smiles and says, I will try again tomorrow. Lesson: don't give up even when it's hard. Chapter 7. Small wins. After 2 weeks, Maria can understand short videos. After 3 weeks, she talks to her friends in English. Maria feels happy. She thinks, I am better now. Lesson: small wins make us stronger. Chapter 8. The Big Change. 3 months later, Maria understands design videos in English. She reads websites in English. She even takes a design course in English. Soon, Maria gets a job with a big company. She speaks English in her interview. She feels proud and happy. Lesson: small steps can make big dreams come true. Simple tips for success. Big dreams need small steps. Do a little every day. Don't stop, even if it's hard. Look back and see your progress. Did you like this story? Watch more videos to improve your English and learn success ideas. See you in the next video.